Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to add page numbers to a PDF. We are going to use our PDF number. It is free software that you can use for both personal and commercial use. It offers different settings to customize the page numbers. First, download a PDF number from this link. Link download in the description. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file to install a PDF number on your computer. Open the software interface. Now we will use the Browse button to add your PDF file. After that, you can use the options available on its interface for page numbering. You can also set number type to add page numbers to PDF, which is an interesting feature. The options to set the beginning page and end page for page numbering is also available that I find very useful. Finally, press the Process button, and save the output PDF to a folder of your choice.